Let's make a custom dual monitor wallpaper using free AI tools. Go to clipdrop.co and select Stable Diffusion XL. Here you can make generative images using prompts. Generate several iterations and save the ones that you like. ClipDrop has a quota of 400 free images per day. Their new SDXL 0.9 update is comparable in many areas to Mid-Journey. Once you have a collection of generated images, select two that can go well together in a dual monitor setup. Then go to Photopea.com. This is a free Photoshop-like in-browser image editor. Create a new project with the dimensions, 7282 by 2048. This will take advantage of ClipDrop's 2048 image resolution. Drag and drop each image into the empty canvas. Position them so they will fit nicely onto each side of your dual monitor display. Export this image as a JPEG and head over to adobe.firefly.com. Here we'll be using the Generative Fill tool. Keep Photopea open. Throw in your new dual monitor sized image and using the available insert brush, paint away the sections we want generated. This part takes some time and finesse. Play around with it till you have something you like. For this image, I won't be adding any prompt directions. Just let Firefly decide on its own. With a base established, go around and clean up the image using either the remove or insert brushes. You will notice Firefly definitely excels in the certain generative images and is weak in others. The key is learning by playing around with it. I've noticed it's great at natural environments and is great for expanding outdoor photographs. When you're done, download the image, then zoom in using Ctrl and plus. Take a screenshot of the bottom left corner. I use Windows Shift S. This piece will be used to cover the Firefly watermark. Firefly's final image resolution will be smaller than our working image, but that's all right. Drop this image into your Photopea file and size it to fit the canvas. Typically, next you will overlay that small corner piece. If your original image did not change in the corner, then you won't need to. Here, I'll show how anyway. Using a soft round eraser, erase the edges to fix any uneven transitions. Now, since our original ClipDrop images are higher resolution, make sure they are at the top of your layers. Then just erase their edges to blend with the Firefly background. Sometimes there's a gap at the top or bottom. To fix this, duplicate the background layer and nudge the bottom-most one using your arrow keys until there is no more gap. And that's it. Export your wallpaper as a JPEG and enjoy. With your Photopea file already set up correctly, you can even go back to Firefly and generate more variations. Just make sure you drop the variants below the high-resolution layers. Be sure to share what you make. I would love to see.